Does red light therapy at home actually improve your skin, boost hair growth, help recovery, or even support weight loss? In today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm breaking down the science-backed benefits of red light therapy, how I use it daily, and what kind of results you can expect at home. As a 45-year-old dad of 2 kids, these at-home red light therapy products have been a game changer. And I'll include timestamps to each question and answer in the description below. Let's jump into it. What is red light therapy? So you've seen people glowing red on social media, but what are they actually doing to their body? Red light therapy, also known as photobiomodulation or low-level laser therapy, uses low-level red and near-infrared light to stimulate energy production in your cells. When red light hits your skin, it's absorbed by the mitochondria, which are your cells' energy factories, which boosts ATP production so your cells can function better, repair damage, and regenerate more effectively. It's kind of like charging your body's battery. Red light, with wavelengths between 600 and 780 nanometers, penetrates up to 5 millimeters into skin to support skin health. Near-infrared light is invisible to the eye, but reaches even deeper, up to 10 millimeters, with wavelengths ranging from 780 to 1100 nanometers. This is used to target muscles, joints, and tissues to reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. And unlike UV or lasers, red light therapy doesn't burn or damage the skin. It's pain-free, safe, and non-invasive. Red light therapy benefits for skin. Want clearer, firmer, younger-looking skin without injections or harsh chemicals? Red light therapy helps stimulate collagen production, which makes your skin look firmer, clearer, and more youthful. The ongoing scientific research shows it may also help reduce acne, wrinkles and fine lines, redness and rosacea, age spots and sun damage, eczema, psoriasis, and scars. So 2 at-home red light therapy tools that I've been using are the FliKEZE Photon Mask and the FliKEZE Spectra Panel Basic 78. So if you only want to focus on your face, I've been using the red light face mask. However, if you want full body action, I've been using the red light panel. And I've been using it for 10 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week. So I'll include the link and the discount coupon codes in the description below. Red light therapy for hair growth. Is your hair thinning or are you having a receding hairline? Here's a natural way to support hair growth. Red and near-infrared light, especially wavelengths around 660 nanometers, have been shown to energize hair follicles, increase scalp blood flow, and reduce DHT, which is the hormone linked to hair loss. But here's the deal. Consistency is key. If you stop using it, the results will fade. So I use the FliKEZE Spectra Panel positioned around my scalp for 10 to 20 minutes, 3 to 5 times per week. Most people see hair growth results in 4 to 6 months. Red light for muscle recovery and joint pain. Are you struggling with sore muscles or chronic joint pain? This might become your new recovery secret. Red and near-infrared light penetrate deep into the muscle and the joint tissue to boost ATP for cell energy, improve blood flow, and reduce inflammation. It's backed by research for post-workout recovery, arthritis relief, and chronic pain reduction. However, it's not a magic fix, but when you use it consistently with the right wavelengths, usually between 660 and 850 nanometers, it can support your body's natural healing and recovery process. Red light therapy benefits for eyes. Are your eyes feeling tired, strained, or just not as sharp as they used to be? Red light therapy might help. Research is showing that specific red and near-infrared light wavelengths can support eye health by stimulating the mitochondria in your retina. That means more cellular energy, less inflammation, and even sharper vision over time. But here's the key part: safety. Research is still emerging, so to be safe, I don't stare directly into the intense red light panels without specific eyeglass protection, as it may actually damage your retina. For vision benefits, research reports using low-intensity red light around 660 nanometer wavelength for just 3 minutes a day in the morning, ideally with your eyes closed, since the light may still be delivered through your closed eyelids, or when you use eye-specific devices designed for safe use. Red light therapy benefits for weight loss. So can red light therapy help you lose fat? Let's cut through the hype. There's no solid scientific evidence that red light therapy alone leads to fat loss. So some claim it helps mobilize fat cells or reduce body circumference, but without diet and exercise, you won't see major changes. So don't fall for the hype. Red light can help recovery and inflammation, but it's not a magic weight loss fix. Red light therapy tools I use. Want to skip the spa and do red light therapy at home? Here's what I've been using at home. The FliKEZE Spectra Panel Basic 78 is non-invasive and it's pain-free. Let's talk about wavelength. You can customize your session by changing between 3 modes: red, near infrared, or both combined. So this uses wavelengths of 660 nanometers of red light to stimulate collagen and skin healing, and 850 nanometers of near infrared light to penetrate into the body for deep tissue pain relief. It contains 78 LED bulbs with 5 intensity levels. It also has a built-in timer from 5 to 30 minutes. And I use it for 10 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week on my scalp and on my body while I do my diaphragmatic breathing with my legs up the wall. You can use code LIVELEANTV at the link in the description for a discount. The FliKEZE Photon Mask is a high-tech red light therapy mask designed to tackle acne, aging, and sensitive skin all in one. It also includes 92 LEDs and uses a soft 3D silicone so it fits comfortably on your face, so it's perfect for multitasking. It has 4 customizable modes using 5 different wavelengths for different skin goals, including the remove acne mode. You could also use the brightening mode. Then you have the restoring mode, and my favorite is the anti-aging mode. I started with 10 minutes a day and will work up to 30 minutes. My skin feels smoother and more even toned. So if you want an easy and effective way to upgrade your skincare at home, the Photon Mask is worth checking out. Links and discount code in the description. And let me know in the comments which device you'd use first, the mask or the panel. Red light therapy before and after results. What can you expect? So how long does it actually take to see results from red light therapy? Here's the truth, no hype. If your goal is faster muscle recovery, pain relief, and wound healing, you can expect results within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. However, when it comes to improved skin health, most people begin noticing results within 8 to 12 weeks when using it for 10 to 20 minutes per day for 3 to 5 days per week. Remember, results are not instant, but the science shows it works if you stay consistent. Final verdict. Red light therapy is promising, but let's be honest, most studies are still small and need more human data. But with that said, thousands of users, myself included, are seeing real-world results. So if you want to try it for yourself, use my code LIVELEANTV at the link in the description to start using the FliKEZE Spectra Panel Basic 78 or the Photon Mask at home. Question of the day. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried red light therapy? Drop your before and after results in the comments. If this video helped you understand the benefits of red light therapy, give it a big thumbs up and tap the subscribe button and the bell to turn notifications on so you don't miss the next one. We're on a mission to transform 1 million lives, and I want you on the team. To continue your transformation, go check out this video right here where I share 10 tips on how to get more deep sleep naturally. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.